Oh, Mellie, what are you doing? I caught you red-handed. You're in the fridge. What are you doing? Oh, you'd like some apples?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want to put some apples on your plate? Thanks for asking. Do you know how to open it? Oh, yeah, you've got it. Did you drop any on the floor? Mellie, did any fall? Can you pick them up? See the ones on the floor? Can we put those in the trash? Those are dirty now. Over there. Good job. So responsible. There you go. Bye. Enjoy your apples. Gonna go watch your jockey movie?